Imagine Jen Sincero just a few years ago living in a tiny converted garage, scraping by with tumbleweeds blowing through her bank account. No fancy suits, no private jets, just a woman stuck in financial quicksand. And yet today she's jet-setting the world in style, fat wallet in hand. How does someone crank that dial from broke to boss, from scared to unstoppable? Let's crack open her game-changing secrets and find out. Jen's story starts by blasting your inner skeptic, the one whispering you're just not built for money. That voice, it's lying. Let's see how she tears down excuses pinned like badges of honor. Jen shares how she once lived in a gray, humid garage, working dead-end jobs and having $10 in her bank before a $4 friend's lunch. That desperation was real, but so was her turning point, refusing to be a financial victim and deciding to rewrite her story with boldness and zero excuses. Your thoughts about money? Jen compares them to a radio station stuck on static. If you keep tuning into I can't, your brain jams on negative signals, blocking abundance. But switch that dial to I'm worthy of wealth and suddenly, you're streaming a high-def channel of possibility and action. Excuses aren't just harmless complaints, they're like hefty tolls at a money bridge. Each I don't have time or I'm not lucky is a fee keeping you poor. Jen's breakthrough came when she realized that firing excuses ignites momentum and the cash flow follows fast. The secret? Stop paying the toll, start walking the bridge. Money isn't just a dollar sign, it's a wild beast shaped by your attitude. Jen dives deep, showing how to tame your mental money monster with some fierce, unexpected tools. Jen cracks open a big myth. Money itself isn't dirty or evil, your negative stories are. She tells the tale of growing up hearing money is the root of all evil, which shackled her early on. But flipping that belief freed her to see money as energy, a tool, a playful servant, not a cruel master. Picture money as a loyal dog, eager to please but only if you treat it right. If you're hostile, afraid, or needy, money barks back or runs off. Jen encourages feeding this dog positive expectations and gratitude. Now watch it fetch endless opportunities and rewards. Changing your money vibe isn't fluff. It's like tuning your internal Wi-Fi to attract signals from the universe's wealth router. Jen shares how focusing on abundance, not scarcity, lets you download success programs that push your financial game to new levels, sometimes in ways you'd never expect. Jen pushes us to quit the victim game. Your reality, it's under your command. She reveals the radical act of owning your power and stirring the pot until your dream life simmers into existence. Jen recounts hitting rock bottom, realizing her broke, powerless victim mindset was her biggest block. The moment she took 100% ownership of her financial state, with no whine and all fire, was when her reality started bending. She embraced responsibility like a warrior, flipping victimhood to victory. She uses the story of tuning a radio frequency to explain how the universe aligns with your vibe. If you broadcast desperation and scarcity, you'll catch more of the same. Flip your frequency to confident, energetic, and grateful, and watch the universe feed your money goals, almost like it's waiting on your signal. Finally, Jen's call to arms. Money miracles don't happen in passive mode. It's about bold, relentless action, sending emails, pitching ideas, embracing failure as a launchpad. She shares how once she started hustling fearlessly, money seemed to leapfrog onto her lap, proving movement attracts momentum. Remember Jen in that cramped garage, feeling broke and beaten down? Her secret wasn't magic, it was mindset and muscle. Now it's your turn. Identify one excuse you're clinging to and toss it out tonight. Start tuning your inner radio to wealth, treat money like a dog eager to serve, then take one bold step. You're not just dreaming about money, you're making it happen. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.